Hi, this is Joe from the Pocono Mountain Public Library. Today I'm bringing you REM's Forgotten Classic, World Leader Pretend. So we'll start with the intro. The intro is also the chorus and it's also the outro. So this is a pretty significant part of the song. So we start with our humble E minor chord. That is basically you put your middle finger on the A string 2nd fret and your ring finger on the D string 2nd fret. And I'm just going to do down strums, make it really simple. You play this for 2 measures. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we switch to the B minor chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me take off my mask here. I just realized I was helping someone on the phone just a few minutes ago, and I was around other people. But social distancing is important, folks. Let's go over that once more. All right. So our E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. B minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So the B minor, I bar the 2nd fret, and I put my ring finger on the 4th fret D string, my pinky on the 4th fret G string, and then my middle finger on the 3rd fret B string. And we bar that. Nice sad chord right there. And after the E minor, we hit that 4 times, or we hit that for 2 measures, 4 down strums. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. G. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and that is basically the let's check in my notes here. Yes, 1 measure G and 1 measure 8. So I just want to play the whole thing for you over again so you get that intro down because it's very important. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that takes us to the verse. So it's E minor for 2 measures, B minor for 2 measures, E minor for 2 more measures, B minor for 2 more measures, E minor for 2 measures, B minor for 2 measures, and then G for 1 measure, and A for 1 measure, if that helps you. Then we get to the verse. So the verse is your basic D, G, C progression. That's called a 1-4, well, it's 1-5-4. But those chords, you'll see those chords together a lot in other songs. So if you learn anything from this lesson, if you're an absolute beginner, pay attention to this. So I'm just going to do, again, for simplicity's sake, I'm just going to do the down strums. D, 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 D. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so that starts with a D chord. Basically, you want to hit this open D. That's going to be part of your chord, right there. And then you hit the 2. You want 2 on the 2nd fret of the G string. Your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the high E string. And we're just going to strum that once for one measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we go to our G chord, 3rd fret, E string, 2nd fret, A string, 3rd fret, E string. We strum the whole thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then to C. 3rd fret of the A string, 2nd fret of the D string, and then 1st fret of the B string, if you could see that right there. All right. I'll put the chord diagrams at the end of the video. And then we go, it kind of loops. So it's one measure of D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 G, one measure of C, and then one measure of D. Then it loops in another measure of D, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so like with the strumming, it sounds. I'll show you the strumming shortly. Well, actually, you know, I'll go ahead and show it to you right now. All right, so the strumming pattern for this song. It is a super common strumming pattern, so it's really useful to know. It's basically, let's bring up my sound, my guitar body to the front here. Down, down, up, down, up. That's it. So down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up. You'll hear that in a lot of rock and roll, folksy stuff. But in the context of this song here, let me just take a go back here. All right. All right, so I can't recall, it's either after the 2nd or 3rd chorus, you come to the bridge. And on the chorus, you always end on the A, and when you go to the verse, you go to the D. However, that's not what happens this time. As you're transitioning from the chorus, your A turns into an A minor. All right. So yes, it goes from, as you transition from the chorus / intro to the bridge, the chorus ends on the A chord, which I forgot to go over. You want your, well, you can play it any way you like. Some people play it like this. I like to play it like this. That's just me. So you want to press down on the 2nd fret of the D string, 2nd fret of the G string, and 2nd fret of the B string. And you start from the A string down. That's the A major chord. However, the A major turns into the first chord of the bridge is the A minor chord, which is a whole different sound. So just like the A major, open A, second fret on the D string, second fret on the G string, and now the first fret on, you can't see it because my fingers are too big, first fret of the B string. All right. Just wanted to give you that little bit of information before we go into the bridge. All right. So we're just finishing up our chorus. G, A minor for 2 measures, C for 2 measures, A for 2 measures, C for 2 measures, A for 2 measures, then C for 2 measures, A, then the verse. I think we do that again. Can't talk and play at the same time. We play the intro again, and that's the outro. I think he plays it twice. Last chord, E minor, and that's pretty much the whole song. Play along with the track, and you'll get it no problem. This is Joe signing off. I gotta get back to work. I hope everybody's doing well in this pandemic, and take care of yourselves. I hope to see everybody soon. Bye bye.